Hello, everyone. Are you preparing for UPSC 2026 and still feeling overwhelmed? Because all of you are having different types of problems. The first problem is where exactly to begin and what to study. Because the market is overloaded with so many content. So it becomes very important that you have a proper course correction while you are doing your study. The second problem is that even if you have completed the NCERTs, lots of students they come to me and they say, "Ma'am, we have done NCERTs," but the problem is that we are still unclear and still we are not getting proper marks in mock test. The third problem the student that faces are concepts clear hai. The concepts are very clear, but still the syllabus remains unfinished because there's lots of syllabus and how we have to begin, how we have to finish it at the proper time, that becomes again the major problem. The fourth point is lack of mentorship because UPSC is a very long journey and it requires a proper target so that the syllabus is finished on time. Again, here mentorship becomes very, very important. And finally, even if you have prepared, even if you have finished all the syllabus, your concepts are clear, but you are not getting proper marks in mains. So we have the solution for all these problems. Tomorrow, I'll be conducting a webinar where I'll be discussing all these problems in detail and how you have to solve these problems. So basically, we'll be focusing on from the beginner, so how you have to achieve this mastery level. So join me, guys, in tomorrow's webinar, which is going to be conducted at 7 p.m. See you soon there, and thank you so much.